Hi everyone, today we are reading about Coco and Penny. So go ahead and look at the pictures. Do you think it's fiction or nonfiction? If you said nonfiction, you are correct because the pictures are real. So our question for today says, read about a gorilla who can do amazing things. You're welcome to read with me. Ready? Begin. Coco and Penny. What does a special teacher help Coco the gorilla to do? Coco is a gorilla. Penny Patterson is a woman, but she is like Coco's mom. I'm going to read the little black box. Coco was very young when Penny began teaching her. Okay, ready? Begin. Penny found baby Coco at a zoo in 1972. Coco was a year old. Coco jumped into Penny's arms. She pulled her near. Penny liked Coco. She wanted to study her. Ready? Begin. Penny wanted to teach Coco words. She moved her hand signs and she showed her hand signs and signals. At first, Coco mostly asked for things she wanted. She would say words like cookie a lot. The black box says this is how Coco says sip. The next black box says this is how Coco says that she loves something. The next black box says this is how Coco says toothbrush. Ready? Begin. But soon Coco could say more. Now she knows over 1,000 words. When she is happy, Coco shows a smile. When she is sad, she points to her eyes. This means cry. Coco is really clever. Whoops. One second. Okay, ready? Begin. Then Penny wanted to teach Coco how to do more things. She showed her how to use a pencil and paper. Coco works hard. She may be trying to write her name. The black box says Coco loves to doodle, but so far she has not written any words. The other black box says Coco is very gentle with her pets. Ready? Begin. When Coco was 12, she would sign the word cat a lot. So Penny gave her a kitten. Coco was really kind to her kitty. She named him Allball. She has had many more pets and has been kind to all of them. Ready? Begin. These days, Coco has lots of projects that keep her busy. She has a hobby. It is painting. Coco paints many things. Coco likes to name her paintings. She has done paintings named Bird and Love. The black box says Coco's favorite color is red. Isn't that neat that she likes to paint? Okay, ready? Begin. Coco and Penny have worked and played together for a long time. Coco and Penny are quite a team. Isn't that neat that we learned about Coco and Penny? Okay, everyone, I'll talk to you later.